This simple quotes video has got 6 million views in 1 year, and many channels like this have grown rapidly, by uploading 10 to 18 videos. In today's video, I'm going to make a similar YouTube channel using only AI, and at the end of the video, I will tell you some hidden ways to make hundreds of dollars from these types of channels from the very first day. First of all, these types of channels are monetized. Their estimated monthly earnings according to Social Blade are $2,000 to $32,000. So first of all I will create a brand new channel from a new email. After that I will find the name of the channel from ChatGPT. Quote box is looking great. For the channel logo go to logo.com. Fill your channel name then color scheme that you want. This one looks great. Find a slogan for channel banner on ChatGPT, and make a channel banner on Canva. And our channel branding is done. Now, first search famous American persons in history on ChatGPT. Here, I will select Abraham Lincoln. Then search Abraham Lincoln quotes. Now, copy one quote from it and go to Canva and click on the video. Select any color, I will select black and go to text and then click on add a heading and paste the quote. Search on Google Abraham Lincoln and download any image, and then go to remove.bg, and drag the image here and then download it. Go to Canva and drag the image here and adjust it. Also, adjust the text and change it color to white, and write Abraham Lincoln at the end. Go to talking.network, and quickly sign up, and then paste your quote here, and remove these double quotation marks. Select any deep and serious voice from here. I will select Matthew and put it to X slow, to increase watch time. You can also preview it, and then download it, and drag it to Canva, and put below the video template. I will repeat this process for 20 to 30 quotes, and meet you after the work is done. Our video is done now. I will download it. Let's see our AI-generated video.
Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. Any one thing. I am rather inclined to silence, and whether that be wise or not, it is at least more unusual nowadays to find a man who can hold his tongue than to find one who cannot. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on.
Let's make a highly engaging thumbnail for the video. Go to Canva, and search YouTube thumbnail, and click on blank thumbnail, and take any code from your video, and remove some words from it, and add an image to generate curiosity. Now, download it. For SEO, search Vidiq extension, and click on the second link, and add to Chrome, and sign up. It is free. Now, just upload your video, and put a broad keyword on your title like Abraham Lincoln quotes, and click on Get AI Title Recommendations. You can see, you get some best titles, and select any that you like, and add keywords that you want to include in your description, and click on Generate. Now, you will get 3 descriptions, read them fully, and select any that you like. Click on any keyword, and select medium, low and very low keywords to rank your video. Don't select high keywords in beginning. Select Don't Made for Kids, and publish your video. Now, I will tell you a hidden way to make money from these types of channels from the very first day. Go to ClickBank and sign up an account. Go to the marketplace and click on Self-Help. Here you will get many categories like motivational, stress management, success, etc. If you have uploaded a general quotes video like I have, then promote stress management or motivational products, because you know largely stressful people see quotes videos, to be motivated. If your quotes video are on time management, money or success related, then promote that type of product from here. Also, don't forget to give a call to action at the end of that video. You can take call to action from ChatGPT, like type, call to action to promote a stress management product at the end of the video and see, you get a perfect call to action to use in the end of the video. If you like our content, don't forget to hit like, share with your needy friend and subscribe to our channel.